Hey guys, if you make a common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs that you may actually not need. Make sure you stay until the end, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Dodge Ram that generation here from year 2013 to year 2018. If you have one of those, if you need to find guys where the fuse for the manifold absolute pressure sensor is located, which fuse controls it, you need to check up to 7 fuses. We will explain why guys. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll cover that, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix anything like engines, transmission, codes, fuses, bodywork, all that stuff. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. On this channel guys, specifically, we will be making a video about every single fuse, every single relay on that Dodge Ram. And let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your fuel pump fuse goes bad. All we have to do, find our video, watch it for a minute or two, replace that fuse, you're back on the road. So we do that guys to help you as much as we can. Also, we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, here now what we need to check, we will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Ram right here. Now guys, what we need to do, we need to go ahead and open the hood here on the driver's side. If we zoom in a little bit, on the driver's side you have the car battery. Right in front of it you have the main engine fuse box. Here you have a couple tabs that you need to press, lift up at the same time, and underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. Here guys, for the manifold absolute pressure sensor, we need to check up to 7 fuses due to the fact that all these fuses are for engine management, but there is very little information exactly what they're for. So one of these fuses will have a function for the MAP sensor, manifold absolute pressure sensor, so check all 7 of them. Please make sure to stay until the end. We want to give you a quick advice so you don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us guys. Here you need to check fuse number 21, 22, 64, 57, 72, 77, and fuse number 78 will need to be checked here as well. So guys, you have all kinds of different fuses and relays. Some of those are very specific, they're hard to find, especially if you're in a small town or in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere for a few days until we got a shipment on the internet, guys. So keep some spares in your glove box for a peace of mind. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.